This is a 3.5-inch LCD screen with ESP32 development board. This board is equipped with a 3.5-inch high-definition 320x480 IPS screen which is clear and delicate. In the core configuration, it is equipped with ESP32 high-performance Extensa 32-bit LX7 dual-core processor. It integrates large capacity flash and SRAM, with a clock frequency up to 240 MHz, making it capable of handling complex calculations and multi-threaded tasks with ease. Its built-in Street 7365P driver chip and CHSC6450 capacitive touch chip communicate separately via SPI and I2C interfaces, saving interface resources. It features rich interface design including I2C, UART, USB, and multiple GPIO interfaces, facilitating external device connection and debugging. The board integrates 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5 dual-mode wireless connectivity, providing stable and smooth communication. To get started quickly, View also provides corresponding development example code, making it easy even for beginners.